Hi students, welcome to music class. I think that all the lessons for the half yearly exam we completed. Now we'll do the revision and your half yearly exam will be held for the music in the month of September 20 to 30. During this period I'll fix the date for your exam. Exam will be in Google form, no practical, only you have to write the answer of the questions, multiple choice questions, so you have to choose the right answer. So I'll discuss about this. At first we'll learn the knowledge of Tal Kaharba, after that definition of musical words and few MCQ model question answer I'll discuss. So at first we'll know about the Tal Kaharba. Tal Kaharba, beat 8 matras, class 2, rhythm 4/4, tali 1, khali 1, shom in first beat and fak in fifth beat. So I'm playing the tabla. Now I am playing Tal Kaharba. Just follow. धागे तेटे नाको धीना, धागे तेटे नाको धीना, धागे तेटे नाको धीना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So beat or matras, 8 matras. धागे तेटे 4. So this is the one part. Nako dhina. This is the another part. So 4 4. The rhythm is 4/4 and class 2. Dhage tete one part, Nako dhina another part. So class 2. Rhythm 4/4. Tali 1 at the first matra. Dhage tete Nako dhina. So first matra tali and fifth matra khali. One khali and it is called fak. So dhage tete Nako dhina. The Tal Kaharba we learn. If the question will arise how many beats are there in Tal Kaharba, the answer is 8 matras and khali, 1 khali and 1 tali. Okay, now we will discuss the definition of the musical words. Shor, Shuddha Shor and Bikrita Shor. Shor or Shur are the 7 notes of the Hindustani classical scale. So if you see the harmonium, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, there are 7 notes. These are the Shuddha notes. Shuddha Shor are 7. They are sa re ga ma pa dha ni. Sa and pa are fixed notes. It is called Achal Shor, Sa and Pa. But other 5 notes, they have Komal or Tibra form. So Re Ga Dhani and Ma, these 5 notes, they have 2 forms, Shuddha and Bikrito. So 5 notes Re Ga Dhani are Bikrito Shor. They are also Shuddha Shor, but 2 forms. It's Shuddha Re, Komal Re, Shuddha Ga, Komal Ga, Shuddha Dha, Komal Dha, Shuddha Ni, Komolni. And Ma, you know, Shuddha Ma and Tibro Ma. Tibro Ma, which is used in Rag Iman. So Bikrita Shor, there are 5 Bikrita Shors in a scale: Re, Ga, Dha, Ni are Komal Shor, and Ma, Tibro or Kori. So Shuddha Shor, 7 notes are there in a scale. 7 Shuddha Shors, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, and Bikrita Shor, Re, Ga, Dha, Ni and Ma. Now I will discuss about the MCQ multiple choice questions in music. These are the model questions I will discuss. So how will be the question pattern? Just for I'm showing you just for the practice. The upward movement or ascending order of notes in raga is called, 4 options are there: Arohan, Avarohan, Pakad, Avataran. Arohan, there is Saregama Padhanisa, upward movement. So this is the answer, Arohan, you know. And Avarohan, Sanidha Pamagaresa, that is a downward movement or descending order. So if the question is upward movement or ascending order, this is Arohan. Which is the most strongly emphasized notes in a raga? In definition, you learn that Badi Shor is the most emphasized Shor in a raga, which is used more and more times. So the answer will be Badi. How many beats are there in Tal Kaharba? Just before few minutes you learn the Tal Kaharba. There are 8 beats. How many tali are there in Tal Kaharba? 1 tali is there. You have to write that. You have to choose the right answer. Which is the Badi Shor of Rag Khamaj? Khamaj Badi Shor. Options are Ma, Ga, Pa and Ni. The right answer is Ga. Ga Badi and Ni Shambadi Shor. Next question. Write the original name of Mia Tanshen. Mia Tanshen, actually at first his name was Ramtanu Pandey in Allahabad. After that, when Samrat Akbar taken him in his dynasty, that time his name will change from Ramtanu Pandey to Mia Tanshen. So answer is Mia Tanshen. The original name of Mia Tanshen, Ramtanu Pandey. Write the name of the lady who was devotee of Lord Krishna in Rajasthan. 4 options: Mirabai, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Hirabai, Keshari Bai. So answer is Mirabai. Movie music in India is made for the Indian movie industry. What is the Indian movie industry called? Tollywood, Hollywood, Bollywood, Rollywood. I discussed about this in FAQ, so you know the answer, Bollywood. Write the name of 2 Indian instruments: tabla and sitar, harmonium and piano, guitar and violin, drums and kazun or kahun. 4 options are there. Only tabla and sitar. These options is right because these 2 instruments are Indian instruments. Other harmonium, piano, guitar, violin, drums, kahun, all are Western instruments. So right answer, tabla and sitar. Next question. How many Shuddha Swars are there in a scale? I discussed about the Swar, Shuddha and Vikrito. You learn that 7 Shuddha Swars are there in a scale. What is Sambadi Swar of Rag Khamaj? Sambadi Swar of Rag Khamaj is Ni. Ma, Dha, Ni, Re are there. So right answer is Ni. 3. What is the very much important swar in a raga? Very much important swar is Badi. How many matras are there in Tal Kaharba? Kaharba, Tal, 8 matras are there. Okay. So we'll practice it in your home. More and more questions we'll discuss. So today after this, read it, practice in your home. Okay. Bye.